Good morning, guys. So, early in the morning, guys. Kape muna tayo, guys. I have black coffee. Dahil marami tayong trabaho this morning, Tuesday, no? So, agahan natin paggalaw, guys. Ang dami nating gagawin. So, kailangan muna nating mag-breakfast, no? So, heavy breakfast I have. So, of course, I have rice, of course. Yeah. Also, I have my Filipino food. Sinigang, guys. So, mag-almusal tayo. Kailangan natin ng lakas para yung mindset natin, guys, gumagana. Kailangan natin gumagana yung utak natin. Lalo pag content creator ka, oh my goodness, laging puyat, no? Kulang sa tulog, in English, lack of time to sleep, more engagement, oh my goodness. Okay. Let's go na, guys, and let's grow. Okay? For your own success, be consistent, upload videos and photos every 3 to 4 hours. So, hopefully you do it too. This is our job. Let's grow.